So back to my drawing now. Now a couple quick things. I can go to my object lines here, and I can just go to construction lines, and I'm just going to turn them off so you can see how they disappear now. And there's the object, and I'm just going to turn them back on. Okay, so let's finish a couple things. So number one, I need to create a circle with a hole in it over in this section based on this view right here. So a couple ways to do this. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to grab circle, and I'm going to come down to my object snaps, and I'm going to grab midpoint right now. Okay, because I know it's in the middle. And we'll go back to here, and I'm going to grab the middle of this, and I know it's d diameter, and it's 1.25. Okay, and then I'm going to immediately draw the smaller circle. Okay, and I know the d diameter is 0.5. Okay, there's my two circles. I'm going to M for move. Okay, and I'm going to pick these two. Whoops, forgot to pick that one. Right mouse click, find the center of that, and I'm going to move it at an angle. At an angle of 2, or at a distance of 2 at an angle of 0. Okay, and then I've got that in position. Okay, so now that I've got that, I'm going to switch back to my construction lines. Oops, those aren't construction lines. There we go. And I'm going to go line, and I'm just going to pick. Now you can see I can't kind of pick stuff right now. So here's where I'm going to turn off snap, and I can now move wherever I want. And you can see still I can't pick the ends of those lines. So back down to object snap, and I'm going to turn on quadrant. Okay, and now there you can see I picked the quadrant. I'm still on ortho, I can't go on an angle, so there's one picked. Oops, hang on a second, Control Z it. Let's try that one again. Line. So, whoops, I don't have it, so I got to go back into quadrant. Okay, I got to pick that and go there. Okay, hit escape, space bar. Now you see I lose it, right? So I've actually got to set up my quadrant before. Oh no, it's there. Okay, so quadrant, pick line now. There we go. Oops, hang on, let's zoom in there. Oh, my snap is on. Again, so turn off snap. There we go. Okay, so there's my snap there, like that, space, space. There's this one here, space, space. There's this one here, space, space. Now what I can also do is go line, take this over to here, and I'm just going to cross that line, take this one, okay, line, take this end right there, line, or sorry, I'm double spacing there, take that one there, space, space. Okay, now what I can do is take my line again, and I can transfer down to here, space, space, or space bar, space, space to cancel and bring it back, space, space, and find the last one, space, space. Okay, so there's now all of my lines transferred. And the last thing I got to do is how high am I going here? Okay, I'm pretty sure if you look at it here, it says depth of 2. Okay, so when I go here, it's a depth of 2 to that. So what I'll go back here, and I'm going to go offset. And I'm going to take this line here, and I'm going to go 2. Whoops, hang on a second. Try that again. Offset, 2. I'm going to take this one, and I put it there. All right, so there's everything drawn. This one here, I'm going to extend it. So I'm going to type in extend, and I'm going to pick this line here, right mouse click. I'm going to pick this line so it extends to there. All right, so the last bit is I'm going to change over to my hidden lines, and I'm just going to zoom in this a bit. Okay, I'm going to go line, and now I just fill it in. There, there, to there. Okay, hit escape, hit space bar. There, there, there to there. Hit escape, and then come over here. So I'm just holding the scroll button down and moving over right now. Hit space bar, and there to there to there. Double space bar, there to there to there, and finally there. All right, so zoom out, go to my construction lines, turn them off, and there's my object. Okay, and that is one simple way of using construction lines in CAD to generate lines so that you can actually draw simple objects. Now, this is a simple drawing, so later on it is a lot more difficult. And I just did not have that recording. Shit.